Hi, Daniel Hall here. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to actually unbox the iRig Mic HD2. This is a mic that I really like, and I wanted to kind of walk you through what it looks like when you order it. I actually usually order these from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. But I like this mic for a couple of different reasons. Let me open it up here and show you what's in it. Pretty simple. All right, let's put that there. And this is what the box looks like when you open it. There's a little documentation folder in here. Here's the actual microphone. And then in here is some more of the the cords and equipment. And I really like this microphone for three primary reasons. The first big reason why I love this microphone is it's very forgiving to extraneous noises. And if you're, in other words, if you're trying to get a good recording in an area where there's a lot of ambient sound, traffic, a dog barking sort of in the distance or anything like that, it does really pretty good at just getting what the sound source in front of it. So I dig that about this microphone, and it sounds really good. It's pretty easy to use. It has both a connection with the gain here, so you can adjust to whatever your particular use is. It also has a headphone jack here, so that you can hear how it's going, and test. And again, you can adjust the gain depending on what you're hearing. So that's the first big reason why I really love this microphone. The other big reason why I love it is because essentially you can use it to plug into either your any kind of device, really. That is any kind of iOS device. So if you're doing YouTube videos, or you're doing any kind of work with a Apple device or an iPad, there's a plug that goes directly. As a matter of fact, here's this little guy right here, plugs directly into your microphone and then into your iPad or into your iPhone, and you're ready to go. And it sounds really good. Actually, a lot better than this microphone that I'm using currently, which is the reason why I got another one of these. The other thing, I guess the third big reason why I really like this microphone is not only will it plug into your devices, but it also plugs into any USB computer, laptop, or what have you. And what I do is I actually will use it on a scissor boom here. I don't know if you can see, but I put it into my scissor boom just like that, and essentially it's ready to rock and roll. So this is the iRig microphone, iRig Mic HD2, and I really like it. Thanks for watching.